Welcome to VINDAL'S Concept and Mass Physics. Today we are going to look at a very important topic. This is called Venn diagram. Do not enter any exam hall for WAEC Mathematics come 1st June 2023 without mastering the act of Venn diagram, because I'm going to assure you that Venn diagram or set theory must be there. All right, today we are going to look at the subset, which is 3 subsets, and I'm going to be taking it one before the other until I take you to the answer. Now, I have already drawn, because we have in a whole class of 40 students, you have to write it this way. You have to represent this, which is universal set, as 40. Then the number of accounting is for this circle. This is for the number of mathematics, and this is for economics. Because we have 18 students passed maths and 19 passed accounting. Then 16 passed economics. Now, I want to point out a very important thing here. This 18 that passed maths is deceitful. You will not go and write 18 here, because this 18 that passed maths, some of them also passed accounting, and some of them also passed economics. So you can't write 18 there. The same thing happens to accounting. The same thing happens to economics, unless they said only. If they had said 18 students pass maths only, then you are boldly going to put it here. Because if you check the one I said about the part 2, you realize that that word only is very important. That is the only time you can write it there. If they don't say only, you have no right of writing any of them inside of this circle, be it this part of the circle or this smaller part. Until they say only, do not write them there, because this circle is meant for only maths, this one is meant for only accounting and maths, and this place is meant for only maths and economics. So I think I've made my point. Now, 16 pass economics, I'm not writing there. Now, 5 pass maths and accounting only, because they said 5 is for maths and accounting. Because they said only, I'm going to write maths and accounting is 5 here. All right. Now, 6 pass maths only. Then this is where I'm going to write the 6. Maths only. Then 9 accounting only. This is 9 accounting only. All right. Now 2 accounting and economics only. Accounting and economics only. 2. All right. Now, if each student offered at least one of the subjects, please, I'm using a lot of short forms. Please don't take them serious. This is subjects. Now, that means whenever they say each, at least means 1 and above. That means the people that offered, that passed all the subjects, they are here. And I'm going to call those people X, because they did not tell me the number of people. So the number of people that passed accounting, mathematics, and economics, they are in this place, intersection between M, A, and economics. All right. Now, they did not tell me the number of people that passed maths and economics. I'm going to call it, I can use anything. Let me call it Z. All right. Now, okay, they also did not tell me the people that passed economics. We can find them out here. So I'm going to call it Y. All right. I have filled everything inside this circle. Now, remember, they now said how many students failed. All these people that we talked about that are inside this circle and this circle, they are only talking about people that passed. Therefore, people that fail will not be in any of these circles. They are going to be outside, and I'm going to use, I can use any letter to represent the people that failed, and I'm going to put them here, because they are neither in accounting, they did not pass accounting, they did not pass maths, they did not pass economy. So I won't put them in any of their place. So let me use B. I'm using this letter B to represent people that did not pass any of these subjects. Let's keep moving. Now the question is, how do I find X, Y, and Z? Because that is very important. Now I'm going to show you the fastest trick on how to do that. Stay put. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Okay, and I'm very sure you have pressed the like button. Thank you. Let's continue. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I want to find number of students that failed all the subjects. So, let us start with here. Let's go to accounting. They say that 19 passed accounting. That means all this circle, look at this circle, everything that has to do with this circle is for accounting. Therefore, these 2 people passed accounting, 9 people passed accounting, 5 people passed accounting, and this number of people also passed accounting. So that means this plus this plus this plus this must be equal to the 19 students that passed accounting. So I'm going to say 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus X is equal to 19, because this is the number of people that pass accounting. Therefore, this is 14, this is 7, 16. So 16 plus X is equal to 19. Therefore, X is equal to 19 minus 16, which is 3. Therefore, N bracket A intersection M intersection E is equal to 3. So what I mean is this: I have found this X. Therefore, the people that passed all of this, the people that passed both maths, accounting, and economics, they are this place 3. Now, if you want to check, if you say this plus this plus this plus this, they will give you the number of people that pass accounting, because that is what this 19 represents. Everybody that passed accounting. You know, these 5 people, some pass accounting, some pass maths, but they passed accounting. So they must be represented as people who pass accounting. Now let's keep going. So permit me to write 3 here. Yes. Now let's keep going. Now remember, let's go to people that pass maths. If you check here, they say 18 passed maths. Now that 18 means this number of people, I don't know them, Z, plus 3, plus 5, plus 6, all of them pass maths, and they are 18. Therefore, I'm going to say 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus Z is equal to 18. 11 plus 3 is 14 plus Z is equal to 18. Therefore, Z is equal to 4, because 18 minus 14 is 4. So please permit me to write 4 here. All right. So that is the number of people that passed. This is maths and economics. Right. Now, how then do I find? Please let me just keep it this way. No. Let me keep 3 here as well. Now I want to find the people that passed economics only. They did not give me people that passed economics only, so they are going to be, let me do it here. It's going to be 2 plus X plus Z plus Y must be equal to, how many? Did they tell me any number of people that pass economics? Okay, 16 pass economics, so they are going to be equal to 16. Now we know what is Z and X, so we say that 2 plus X is 3 plus Z is 4. We have found Z plus Y is equal to 16. Therefore, Y is equal to 16. This is 7 plus 2, 9. 16 minus 9. So Y is going to be equal to 7. All right, so we have found X, Y, and Z. That is fine. But listen, there is a question they say we should find, because all these things I'm doing is just to fill these values so that we can be able to solve. Now, they say, how many students failed in all the subjects? Now, how many students failed? Now, everybody here passed. So I'm going to add all the number of people that passed. This is everybody in the school, okay? In the class, all the people in the class. They are 40. So I'm going to say this 40 minus all the people that passed. Then I will get the number of people that failed. So this is going to be 40 minus all these people. This is 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7. Whatever I get will be the number of people, which is B, and that is going to be equal to B, because the B is the number of people that failed. So I'm adding everything here. So this is 40 minus bracket 9 plus 5. Just use calculator. So this is going to be 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 11. 36. So this is 36 is equal to B. Therefore, B is equal to 40 minus 36 is 4. So the number of students that failed in all the subjects, they are 4. All right, I have found A. This is answer A. Let's go to B. The B says, find the percentage number who failed in at least one of economics and maths. This is very important. At least one of economics. You know, if you come here, you realize that this 4, this Z is 4. This 4 passed maths and economics. This person passed economics only. So there are people that pass only economics, and there are people that pass economics and other subjects. And now this word, at least means 1 and above. At least means 1 and above. So it's either you pass economics 1 and you pass economics and other subjects. Now, but they say economics and maths. That means it is the battle is between economics and maths. So all the people that pass maths and economics, this pass economics is among. 2 pass economics is among. This person pass economics and maths. This person pass economics and maths. This person pass maths. This person pass maths. So all of them are part of the people that passed economics and maths. But we are looking for the people that failed. So it's going to be 40 minus all the people that passed economics and maths. So it's going to be 40 minus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7. All these people, except 9 and 4, they are the people that are not involved in maths and economics. Therefore, 40 minus 27 is equal to 13. Okay, so 13 people are the people that failed in at least one of economics and maths, but we are looking for the percentage. Therefore, it's going to be 13 over 40 times 100, which is 32.5%. Okay, you say calculate the probability that a student selected at random failed in accounting. The people in this class, the people that passed accounting, they are 19. So out of the 40 people, 19 passed. So which people that failed? It will be 19. It will be 40 minus 19. They will be the people that failed. So if you remove the people that passed, the rest will be failing. Therefore, it's going to be 40 minus 19, which is going to be 21. Therefore, the probability is 21 over 40. And that is the answer. So the people that failed, the probability of people that failed in accounting, 21 over 40. Thank you very much for staying till this time. But please don't forget to share this video, like and comment. God bless you, and I wish you luck.